Hello everybody, this is Yarne with you again. Making another video. This is a risk disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. If you do trade, you're doing it at your own risk. This is only my view of the market. This is not a signal. You can have a read of that. All the good stuff. Okay. So that is it. You could pause the video there as well. So, I was trying to make a YouTube live video yesterday and today, but the fact is my internet is too slow. So I'll just make this video now because I think it's essential. What is happening now? We had okay. I usually have black charts, but I'll go to the white chart because I think it looks better in the video. But basically, what's going on yesterday? As you all know, we had a big bounce here on Bitcoin, and what that meant, all other cryptocurrencies went up as well. But this video is a warning. Now everybody's happy, kumbaya, markets are going up, we're making money. My view on the market at the moment is a bit different. And I'm not saying that I'm right. I could be very, very, very wrong. Because markets are never black and white. You know, if somebody says this is gonna happen 100%, it's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. There are different views on the market. Some people say it's bullish, that it's gonna go up higher. Some people say it's gonna go lower, and so on and so forth. I'm just gonna share you my ideas. So this is a Bitcoin. First on a daily chart, or just as we saw yesterday, we bounced off here. It was on. I don't want to be too technical with Fibonacci's and all that. We'll just say okay, it bounced off because people wanted to buy. Simply because I think a lot of people that are watching this are not really technical. They're just like, they want to know what's going on. So it bounced off because everybody wanted to buy. People like the big players, they call them whales. They thought, okay, the price is cheap, so they start buying here. So I'll have to be a little bit more technical when I go into this 1 hourly chart. And this okay, so we have our little, this is Bitcoin on Bitfinex. So we can understand the market now in two different ways. First one is that we are in the uptrend, and we can confirm this by saying the market went down here. I'll make this bolder so you can see, and maybe a different color. What do we put here? Okay, yeah, green. I think you can see this. So it went down here, and went up, and went down. And then what happened is shift of momentum. So what that means is that the move up is stronger than the prior move down. So as you see here, this line is higher than this was before. And then we have a move down, retracement it's called, and it's higher than this one before. So this is like an indicator that we are shifting. And also we had a little bit of divergence on a higher time frame. Here actually we have a little bit of divergence on MACD and RSI. I don't have RSI here. Maybe I can put it in. It will be useful to have it. Okay, so did we have a divergence? It was not really divergent on 1 hourly chart. I think it was, let's see, on 4 hours, because I posted as well that we had a divergence signal. Okay, yes, so on 4 hourly chart we had a signal that it's going up. So that's good. We had two signals that were going up. So one was divergence here, and divergence is when this is going down. I mean, this is going up, but the price is going down, so this is divergent here. So this indicates that we are in a bullish market, meaning that we're going up. All good. So this is our first theory that I think most of the people are implying at the moment that we are going up, and Ripple went up, I don't know, 50% or something crazy like that. So now everybody thinks, oh, buy, 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 buy. But my view is what's really going on, that this shift down is actually just a first impulse of a larger downtrend. This is why I said this is my warning. And I might be really, really wrong with this, but my point of view is that what might be happening is that this is, if you know Elliott wave, or if you don't, basically markets tends to move in waves, usually in 5 waves, and this could pretty much be just one of the higher waves down, because as we see this, the market on the hourly chart, I really like to look at the hourly chart to determine where we're heading. I think like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, it's too small, and one day, it's good to give you an idea first, overview of the market, but then you really need to go 1 hour or 4 hour. So we had, what was happening, we had, we can call this kind of like a value zone here, and then we had this climactic move down, which could be also understood as a breakout from this support up there. And I don't want to be really too technical, but I have to be to some degree. So basically had a breakout. So we were, to tell you in plain words, this line was our support, and it didn't go through it, but when it went, this is what happens in the market when you have a breakdown. We had a strong move down. So when I'm looking at this chart, I'm thinking, if we are in a downtrend, this is just the first move of more moves that are to come. And this, what we're facing at this very moment, is just a corrective way of, like this ABC. This is a corrective way. This is a retracement, but it's a complex retracement. This is what they call complex. Basically, you have 2 types of retracement. One is it just goes up and then go down, or the other one is goes up and down and up. So this is complex retracement. Well, I could be wrong, but it just comes with warning that everybody who's just like going all in at the moment, I just want to tell you that my view is different, and just take into consideration that not everybody is 100% bullish yet. I actually shorted the market up here, which means I bet the other way. So if the markets go down, I profit, because I think it's going. I just want to tell you that I invested my money into the strategy and the thoughts that I'm telling you. So I think it might go higher. Of course, it's really important to just monitor the price. We had because it went down here, but now it kind of bounced off. I'm sure this is like on Fibonacci ratio or something. But also another really important line was this last. If we look at the last swing down, which is this one. Okay, I'm gonna clear the chart so you can see. And I'm gonna take out a few of those lines to give you a better, to have a cleaner chart. Just okay, like this. So what I have here is Fibonacci, and maybe you don't know what it is, but basically it's an indicator that we're using. It's a tool that we're using, and this is our last swing high on the hourly chart. It was happening for what's the last 2 days. We had a down, kind of like extend move down. So if I extend Fibonacci from up there to here, I'm getting a 50% retracement here, which is this key level, which we look at smaller time frame, 20 minute. We were bouncing off this level. We bounced off, we bounced off, we bounced off again. And now we're gonna go up and test it again. And my idea is, if we're testing this and we don't break this line, we are gonna have a strong move down. And with the strong move down, all other altcoins are gonna go down as well. Of course, this could break through and everything is okay. We're going up, and that's all. But as I said, it's always good to consider different scenarios. Okay, so that was it for today. I like to keep my videos nice and short. I hope you I hope you caught some of those waves up. I hope you made some profits, or in general that you're having an amazing day. I wish you all the best and good luck.